in this triangle, this angle is given, and then we need to find this angle here, angle phi, okay, nearest to minutes. Okay, so what we do, we look at this two angles. Okay, this is count as two angles, so obviously we have to use sine rule. Okay, so opposite of this angle phi, okay, opposite of this angle here is 24.5 meters. So we write it down, sine of this angle phi over 24.5 is equal to opposite of this, okay, angle as well. So this means that sine of 48 degree 27 minutes over 29.5. Now we just get rid of this 24.5, so we times 24.5 on the left, okay, and you times 24.5 on the right, so this disappear. So now you left with sine of phi is equal to 24.5 sine of 48 degree 27 minutes all over 29.5. I put these numbers in a calculator and I get this. Okay, so the answer sine theta equals 0.625 and so on. Okay, so therefore phi, okay, phi is equal to sine inverse of 0.622. I just write this first. Then what I do, of course, I'm not going to use 0.622. I just use all the number in here. Okay. So what I do, I go shift and then sine and then answer equal. See, now I get 38.428 and so on degrees, and I want near to minutes, so I press this bubble button here. So I press that, I will get 38 degree. Okay, 38 degree 25 minutes and 41 seconds. Now because it's 41 seconds close to a minute, so we add to 25 minutes, so that becomes 26 minutes. So your answer is 38 degree, okay, and 26 minutes. Okay, so that's what you get. So if you look at the calculator, that's what you round up to, 38 degree 26 minutes. This question now, this is asking to find the angle of theta, okay, nearer to minutes. Okay, so first of all, we can see that you have two angles there given. Okay, so you got 57 degrees and this theta, so count as two angles, so obviously sine rule. Okay, so keep that in mind. So we identify the opposite first. See, opposite of this, we use this side, but the problem is this: we don't have this side here. Okay, unknown. So you cannot have two unknown. So therefore, what we need to do, okay, we need to find this angle first. Okay, I write it down. So I just made this beta. Okay, we find this angle first. So this angle opposite of this and this opposite of this. See, now if I find beta, then what happened is I can find out theta by 180 minus these two angles here. Okay, so that's because it's in a triangle, all angles add up to 180 degrees. So I need to find beta first. Okay, so keep that in mind for me. So now I'm gonna write it down. So you go sine beta over 15.6 is same as sine of 57 degrees over 21.5. Okay, so now get rid of 15.6 by time 15.6 and time by 15.6, so that's disappear. So you leave with sine beta is same as 15.6 sine of 57 degree all over 21.5. put that in calculator. Okay, you can see I'll get 0.6085 and so on. So I just write on the screen. So this is what I get, okay, from calculator. So therefore, okay, beta is equal to sine inverse of 0.61. So therefore, beta is equal to, okay, I just go shift, okay, sine and answer equal. So it gets set 37.48 degrees because it's nearer to minutes. So I press this button here, DMS, or the bubble button if you like. So I get 37 degrees, 28 minutes and 80 seconds, okay, 58 seconds, sorry. Because it's close to a minute, I add 1 to 28 seconds, 28 minutes, so that gives me 29. So your answer should be 37 degree, 29 minutes. So 37 degree and 29 minutes. See, that's better. Then what I have to do, because question asks for find the theta. So this means that, therefore, okay, I just write here because I run out of space. Actually, I can just move it down. So you go therefore, okay, theta is equal to 180 minus 57 degrees and minus 37 degree, 29 minutes. Put this in calculator, okay, which give me 85 degree. I just write here 85 degree and 31 minutes. 31 minutes, okay? So that's what it is. Let's do one more question that's similar to this type of question here, okay? So let's move on to this. Okay, same thing. The question is asking for find angle of theta correct to nearer to minutes, okay? So you can see opposite of this 47 degree is this 16.5 centimeters. Now opposite of angle here, of course I can't do it because is there nothing on this side here. There's no unit, no measurement. So therefore I cannot use that to find angle of theta yet. So what I do, okay, I find this angle first. I just write P here, angle P. So opposite of this, see? Now I use this, okay? So we have to use sine rule, of course, because it's two angles given, right? Because unknown angle with the 47 degrees count as 2. Just keep that in mind for me. So I use sine rule. So this means that sine P, okay, over 14.2 is same as sine, okay, of 47 over 16.5. Then I times 14.2 both sides, times 14.2 times 14.2, that gone. So this means that, okay, sine of P is equal to 14.2 sine of 47 over 16.5. I type this in the calculator. Okay, my answer is 0 sine P is equal to 0.6294, right? And so on. So this is what I get. That's my answer. So therefore, okay, P is sine angle P is sine inverse of 0.629. Alright, so if I do this, I use my calculator to do it. So I go shift, okay, inverse sine of answer. See, I don't have to type 0.629 and then a whole bunch of other numbers. I just type this, makes it easier and then more accurate. So that's it. See, I get 39.006 for so on degrees. So I want to nearer to minutes. or minutes rather. So you get this 39 degrees 0 minute and 23 seconds. So 23 seconds less than 30 seconds. So your answer is okay, P equals 39 degree, okay, and 0 minutes. Okay, so that is P. So now, because we're looking for angle theta, I just move this up. So therefore, okay, theta will give, the answer is angle theta is equal to 180, because angle triangle is 180, so I need to minus from 180. So 180 minus 39 degree, okay, 0 minutes, and minus 47 degrees. So put that in my calculator. I get 94 degrees and 0 minutes. Now, last question. Now, this question is asking for finding the angle theta, okay, but in this case theta is obtuse, okay, so just do what you normally do. That's all. I'm just follow this step first, just the same, exactly same, okay, the previous step. So first of all, okay, you got 18 degrees and you got angle theta, so this is kind of two angles, so we use sine rule. So we just use sine rule, so we identify opposite of sine angle is 36 centimeters. Opposite angle 18 is 27. So nice and easy, right? So what I do, I write sine, okay, sine of theta over 36 is equal to sine of 18 degrees over 27. You see? Now I times 36 both sides, so that means sine theta is equal to 36 sine of 18 degree over 27. Okay, so over 27. So just write this down first. Then if I put that in calculator, okay, I just type 36 sine 18, okay, on my calculator, okay, I get 0.4125 and a lot more. Okay, so this is what I get. Then theta is equal to, okay, so 26 degree and 24 degree, and I just write this down first, 24 degrees and 20 minutes. Okay, but in this case, okay, the angles theta is obtuse. Okay, so angle theta is obtuse. So all we need to do is just go theta, okay, equal 180 degrees minus, okay, 24 degree and 20 minutes. So put that in a calculator. Okay, just move this up and I get 100, okay, 155 degrees and 40 minutes. That's all. Please remember that for me, exactly the same what you normally do with this kind of question, except when it's the question asks for obtuse angle, all you need to do is 180 degree minus your answer. That is your answer because you want obtuse. That's all it is. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos.